A bill in Springfield has the potential to change how much you pay for car insurance.
Illinois Secretary of State Alexi Giannoulias is here to tell us a little bit more about what that could mean for you, the consumer. First of all, hello to you. Nice to see you.
Hi, guys. How are you?
Good, good. You know, I've always thought that if you want to keep your car insurance affordable, you don't get into any accidents, you don't get any tickets, and that should be enough, and that's the way that it works. But you're telling me that that's not the case at all, right?
Tragically, that's not the case. What we've seen across the country, but especially here in Illinois, is that socioeconomic factors like your credit score and your zip code play a major role in determining your car insurance rates. It's bananas, it's crazy, it's offensive, but it is true. I am a big believer that individuals' car insurance rates should be based solely on their driving records, but that is not the case. The neighborhood you live in, your credit score, your credit worthiness will determine your car insurance rate. So we have a bill in Springfield to at least look at and try to provide some transparency into this rate-making process.
I was surprised to read that researchers even found someone with a DUI but a good credit history catches a break compared to someone who doesn't have a DUI but has bad credit when it comes to what they pay for car insurance.
Yeah, it's crazy. If there's ever anything that points to the two Americas and inequality in this country, it's folks that are actually being penalized because they live in a worse neighborhood or because their credit score isn't solid. But as you mentioned, a driver who's had a DUI but lives in a great neighborhood and has perfect credit in Illinois will pay less for their car insurance than someone with a perfect driving record who does not have good credit score and lives in a less desirable zip code. Again, these big car insurance companies know that. We just want some transparency into this process. We hope that our bill will make it out. We tried a larger bill last year. It was killed by the car insurance industry. This year we're saying let's just have a study, benign study to look at why that's the case, what factors play into it. The people of Illinois deserve to know.
Okay, so walk me through this bill. You said the idea is transparency, so you're looking to get what types of information, and then how would you use that information?
Well, number one, we have to have awareness. People have to know these facts. Okay, that's critical. And when I go to different communities and tell them that your driving record is, in many instances, less important than your zip code or how much money you make or what your credit score is, they are blown away. So we're traveling the state bringing awareness to this issue. A study will help us create accountability and transparency into what factors these car insurance companies use in their algorithm as to what they charge for car insurance, which, by the way, is already crazy expensive for almost everyone.
So the bill just kind of forces transparency, and then from that you hope to actually enact some change.
Yeah, like I said, we tried a bill last year which had a little more teeth. It was killed by these large companies. This year we're just aiming for something that's maybe a little more swallowable for Springfield. It's a study, it's a benign study. We want to look at these algorithms. Are they looking at your social media feeds, your credit history, how much money you make in determining your car insurance rates? Again, people of Illinois truly believe that their driving record is what determines their car insurance rates. That is not the case. This study will give us more information into what goes into this, what factors go into this algorithm that they claim to use.
Yeah, I think this surprises a lot of people. I think you're right. All right, Alexi Giannoulias, Secretary of State, we appreciate your time. We hope to talk to you again soon.
It's great to see you guys. Thank you for having me.
Thanks. Well, new COVID